Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning, random vlog in my life today on my channel. So we have a bus monoblog, how to say right, I don't know. I have this log from yesterday in evening and today I need, after 1 hour, I need to back this log and we try to pick him now. This log have 2 rows of pins, but oops, focus not nice, not good. Just a moment, I want to show, but this is very many cutting lines have this log. So this row, oh, difficult this was, not was will. I want we see good. This is high, middle, high, low, low, high. This row, bottom row of pins, and this top row of pins, but this pins not active. No, this pins for if this is not like in lock, so when you try to open this lock, if cutting not for high of this pins top row. Sorry, this is his K away. There I want to show more. No, come on, nice. And this is very many little thieves, big thieves. So have maybe not comfortable. No, not open profile. Just a moment, focus. I need to back on the place. Nice. And so this is close. Just a moment. This close, not work, open, close. Everything nice. And this nice picture I put here. And this is nice device. Morning time, I not have power in my arms to put him. Really. Okay, so once again, just a moment, we make. I want we see good. Nice focus, nice color, not color, no, light. So open, close, everything work nice. And now I need tensioner. This I think will good. Okay, and so we try 4 minutes excellent now, and first, second ask. Okay. Third. 5, 6. Four. No. Nice. And first mushroom. High mushroom. High pin, but nice. Number 4 was no final, and this is this is close of this lock, and that's all. Not something I don't know what special of quality. No, this is not China, but this is not. I have. Oh, sorry. This is not China, but this is right. This Germany, but you see here Germany, and I don't know. This is have so. I have no good locks of ABUS and dimple lock, so I can't to say this is no have a big difference between ABUS browse for 1000 and this, for example, no big difference. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye.